Okay, let's say try to find value of x here, right? Now, first of all, I need to tell you what this is. Maybe some time you will think like this way, but here this will be twice of this. It look like this way, no? Normally we learn angle at center is twice the angle of circumference. Like that we have learned. But you can't apply this here. That theorem you can't apply here. Because why? Now look, from A and C go to circumference, but not from CNA go to center, right? Here from some here. K and L, different place, go to center, right? It must be start from same 2 point, go to circumference, from same 2 point must go to center, but not from the same 2 points. So that's why this angle is not double of this, right? That's the thing first of all you need to understand. Okay, then how we can find this x, right? Even here you can't think now from K and L go to center and K and L not go to here. Even that is you can't apply, because why? KL not on the circumference of the circle, right? KL not on the circumference, so that way also you can't think. Anyway, now how we can do this, right? That's the reason you can't apply this that theorem, right? Angle at center is twice the angle at circumference. For this one you can't apply because of that. Anyway, now how we can find the value of x? Here they tell now this k is the midpoint of BC. So we learn another theorem. If you draw a line from center to midpoint of the chord, this must be perpendicular, right? This will be perpendicular. If I tell again, from center, if you draw a line to the midpoint of the chord, now k is the midpoint, no? That means this is perpendicular. That means here 90, right? Same will be here. This L also midpoint of BA, no? So that's why here must be 90, right? You can mark first of all that. Then if you consider this one, or the ABCD, this is a cyclic quadrilateral. ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral. So that's why in a cyclic quadrilateral, what the opposite angle add up to 180. If this is 70, this must be 110, because ABC angle, that means this angle, plus CBA angle, that means this one, 70 plus this angle, BCA, this angle must be 180. So if this is 70, this must be 110, right? This must be 110. This must be 110. Okay, now you can find x, because now here this is a quadrilateral BKOL. This is a quadrilateral. That means this all three must be 360. This all four angle must be 360. So that's why you can write this this way. What the 110 plus 90 plus 90, that means this angle plus this angle plus this angle plus x should be it must be 360, right? Now let's add this all together. (290) here, x equal 360, and then to find x, 360 minus 290, right? So here your answer will be 70 degrees. That's the thing. Here x equal 70 degrees. This x is equal to 70 degrees.